Mm. So we have a parallelogram given. Okay, we have a parallelogram given RUNS. It's given a parallelogram, and then diagonals bisect. It's given. So given you should write RUNS is a parallelogram. RUNS is a parallelogram, and OR is equal to 16, and ON is equal to x plus y, and OS is equal to 20, and OU is equal to y plus 7. OU is equal to y plus 7. Okay, now you have to write to find x and y. To find x and y, that is to find solution. What you will write in solution? Diagonals bisect each other. Can you hear me, children? Diagonals
Yes, ma'am.
bisect
Yes,
each
ma'am.
other. Diagonals bisect each other in parallelogram. Okay, so according to that, x plus
Yes,
y,
ma'am.
x plus y is equal to 16, and y plus 7 is equal to 20. Correct? Now, what is y? Solve this equation. This is first equation, the second equation. Solve the second equation. What is y? What you should do? The plus 7 will go this side, it will become Tarunesh.
-7.
20 minus
7.
7. So what is 20 minus
Minus
7?
7.
So what is 20 minus
It
7?
becomes minus
13.
13.
14.
14.
30.
Who said 14?
30. 30. 30.
30.
13.
Tarunesh,
13.
30.
see
Ma'am?
too much of mobile and your eyes is spoiled.
Yes, ma'am. 13, ma'am.
You
No,
said that.
ma'am. Connectivity problem.
Okay. Everyone have that reason, no? Substitute y is equal to 13 in first equation.
If I tell 13 also, it'll come like 30, ma'am.
Yeah, put all the blame there only. Now y is equal to 13. Okay, substitute in first equation. What is first equation? X plus y is equal to 16 is the first equation. Put the 13 here. Wherever y is there, put 13. Okay, so what is x? Say.
3, ma'am.
Tarunesh, what happened? 16 minus 13, 3 is the answer. Okay, so x value we found, y value we found, and one mark. And if it is a 3-mark question, the diagonal bisect each other 1 mark. Okay, the property is important. Okay, I have seen yesterday's your homework also. You have done the properties correctly. So properties is not there, you won't get that full marks. So which property is required, you should do. Now ninth sum. Who's going to read ninth sum? Alden, I'll draw the figure. You read the question.
In the above figure,
The above
Ma'am, can I read, ma'am?
why he is
I'll
reading
read.
now? Allow him to read no. In the above figure given. Read.
both RISK
In the above
Alright.
figure, both. Okay.
Who's reading? Alden or
Priyanka
Shiva,
is reading, ma'am.
huh? I said
Yeah,
Shiva.
I'll read, ma'am. Shiva.
uh,
Shiva's
Shiva is
reading.
reading. Okay, Alden's speaker is not working. What happened?
Working.
Read. Okay, Alden, you read. Otherwise, Shiva will read.
In the above figure,
Mm.
both
Mm.
RISK
Very good. RISK and clue
CLUE
CLUE are
parallelograms.
parallelogram.
Okay.
Parallelogram short form we can write. This is given. Okay. And then angle K is also given. Angle K is one. What is angle K is how much? Say
Angle
Alden.
K. Ma'am, angle K 120 degree, ma'am.
120 degree. So this is 120 degree. That is also given. Angle L
70 degree, ma'am.
70 degree, that is also given. Okay, so these two are given, and then you need to find out x. X is here, children. This is x. This vertically opposite angles are there, no? This is x. Okay, let me take this angle as O. So SI and ES meet at point O. SI and E, what is this? R C. SI and RS meet at O. You write of this O. Okay. Now come to question. To find X. What do you have to find? X value. Okay. Solution. Now what should I start with solution? Which property we are going to use here? Can anybody guess? See the figure. There are two parallelogram. Two angles are given. Which property I must use? Can anybody say? Giri Manojanal is sleeping, huh? Answer quickly. Priyanka, Parinita, Vishnupriya.
Vertically opposite angles.
Very good. Vertically opposite angles. Which property you will use, Kana? Which property you will be using? Girls, Cassandra? Hmm? Loudly. Huh? Can't hear children. I can't hear. Now tell girls. I want girls to answer. Which property we are using? Priyanka, quickly. What?
Opposite angles of a parallelogram.
God, to get that answer, I should struggle. Opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. We will use this property. This carries 1 mark. Okay. See. Now listen. See the figure first. First you understand the figure. This is 120. This RISK. Check only RISK. This is also 120. Correct? No. If this is 120, what will be R? Who's going to say? If I is 120, what will be R in risk parallelogram? RISK parallelogram.
60 degrees. 60, ma'am.
60. Who said that first?
60, ma'am.
Slowly you are saying. Who said that first?
Ma'am, I told.
Alden. Loudly you say Alden. Okay, you are
Manoj, ma'am.
Be bold. Manoj.
Alden, I think so, ma'am.
Okay. Whoever says.
Ma'am, Manoj.
Alden.
Manoj and
Okay,
Alden
okay.
Yes,
Be
ma'am.
confident. Whoever is that, be confident and answer. It's okay if it's wrong also. Okay, you need to answer quickly. Now 60, and when I say anybody quickly who's saying only is important. Now 60, 120. Alternate angles are supplementary. So only this becomes 60. So we are using second property also. Alternate angles are supplementary also we are using. Opposite angles are equal also we are using. Okay. So if this R is 60, what will be this S? RISK in the risk, this angle is also 60 because opposite angle.
60.
Very good. Now this is L. L is 70. So what could be in E? Clue. In clue parallelogram, E will be. In clue parallelogram, what will be E?
70.
Very good.
70.
Why it is 70? Why?
70.
Opposite angles are equal in parallelogram.
Very good. Correct side. Correct side. Correct. Now 70. Now what could be? Now we need to find out X. How will we find out X current side? Others mute. Let current side answer. We know in this small triangle, we know this is 70, this is 60. What is X?
Ma'am, adjacent angles are equal. Interior angle is equals to 180 degrees.
Very good. What is that property called? What is that property called?
Alternate interior angles.
Hey, wrong. You are all saying
Wrong, ma'am. Corresponding angles.
wrong.
Sum of adjacent angles.
Wrong.
Angles and property.
Angles and property, ma'am.
Property. Who said that first?
Sai Sabrish, ma'am.
Sai Sabrish. Very
Priyanka.
good. Sai. Priyanka told. Okay.
And Manoj, I think so, ma'am.
Hey, whoever it is, you people say, listen carefully. ESO. One is 70, one is 60. So this is angle sum. This is another triangle again. Angle sum property will be used. So many properties we are using. 4 mark question, children. It will come in 5 mark. 5 mark is not there, so 4 mark it will come. So we are using all the property. First, opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. So start with first ESK. In risk RISK. In risk parallelogram. In this parallelogram, what happened? Angle K is equal to angle L is equal to 120. Okay, you write because of this reason. Okay, then angle R plus angle L, angle R plus angle S, angle R plus angle I, angle R plus angle I is 180. Which property will be written here? Which property will be written?
Adjacent angles in a parallelogram is supplementary.
Very good. Who's this?
Sai Sabrish.
Sai Sabrish. So nice. Correct. Adjacent angles of parallelogram are supplementary. According to this property, R plus I is 180. So R we don't know. So I we know. Okay. So what is this R? So R will be every step you should do. We know to do orally, but every step is important here. Okay. This is over. RISK is over. Now you go. Now R is this means S is also 60. Why S is also 60?
Opposite angles are equal in parallelogram.
Very good. That should be written here. Super. Again and again, you should write the reason. Okay, one part is over. Next, go to parallelogram 2. CLUE. CLUE parallelogram, what happened? In L is equal to 70 degree. What is L? In
70
parallelogram,
degree.
L is equal to 70 degree. So what
70 degree.
E is also 70. Why E is also
70
70?
degrees.
Why E is also
Opposite
70?
angles are equal in parallelogram.
Very good.
Opposite angles are equal in parallelogram.
Yeah, like that. You should listen carefully. So E is also 70. So in that, these two only we are using. Now go to triangle. Triangle. Which triangle we are taking? Triangle. Forgot.
Equilateral triangle.
Go to the diagram. Who said equilateral? This triangle name. What is the name of this triangle? See, what is the name of this triangle? ESO. What is the name of the triangle? What is the name of the triangle?
ESO.
Just write triangle ESO. In triangle ESO, what happened? In triangle ESO, angle E is equal to how much? Angle E is how much?
70.
70. Angle S, how much is angle S?
60, ma'am.
60. Very good, very good. Who said that? Sai Sabrish. So what is angle X? What is angle X? Now you should
Ma'am,
write up.
interior angle is equals
50
to
degree.
180, ma'am.
Yeah. So use angle sum property of a triangle, ASP. Angle sum, write down full sentence. This board is not cooperating with me, ma. You write according to angle sum property of a triangle, ASP of a triangle. According to angle sum property of a triangle, 70 plus 60 plus x is equal to 180. What should you write? What should you write?
70 plus 60 plus x is equal to 180.
Very good.
70 plus 60.
So what is 70 plus 60? 130. So what is x?
130.
Hey, what is x?
180 minus
180 minus
50.
130, which is equal to 50 degree.
50.
That's all. Like this, you should complete. Here, you should write angle sum property fully. Don't write ASP. Angle sum property of a triangle. Can you do that? Is it easy?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Classwork is easy, but homework, 10th sum. See the 10th main? 10th main is homework. Okay, try 10th main homework. In 10th main,
That's all, ma'am.
10th main. 11th main, can you do? Just check 11 and 12. If you can do, you do. 10,
Ma'am,
11.
one is enough, ma'am.
Hey, when is
Ma'am,
math
I think
period?
so. Two is enough, I think so, ma'am. 10th and
we have
11th.
two
will do.
sums. In 10th sum, we have two sums. In 11th sum, we have one sum. 3 sums homework. And 12th sum, you can do it. Wait, I'll teach you the parallel trapezium. In trapezium, what do you mean by trapezium? Any one pair is parallel. We call it as trapezium. And suppose if this is trapezium, children, PQRS is a trapezium. In that, you write PQ is parallel to SR. Now, what is this called? Can anyone guess what is this line called? What is it PS called?
Parallel.
No.
PS is parallel to RQ.
PS is not parallel, non-parallel lines. It's called non-parallel lines and it is called transversal. You have learned parallelogram theorem. You remember parallelogram properties? Any two lines are parallel. If there is a line cut, it is called transversal. What is it called? You should write PS is called
Transversal.
You should write PS is called transversal. In transversal, alternate interior angles are equal, Z shape. You remember we learnt? in 7th standard?
Yes, ma'am.
What are these two called? Can anybody remember 7th standard? Let me check. What is angle 1
Linear
and
pair,
angle
ma'am.
2? Huh?
Transversal.
Hey, angle 1 and angle 2 are called what?
Linear
Corresponding. Corresponding.
Hey,
Corresponding.
F shape. Arun, corresponding should be F shape.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
linear pair.
Adjacent angles.
Co-interior angles.
Co-interior angles. Who said that?
Sai.
Sai only. Very good. Sai only is that
Sorry.
8th standard portion. He only did very well. Good. 7th standard portion. Co-interior angles are supplementary. You remember that? This angle 1 plus angle 2 should be 180. Parallelism. Condition of parallelism. So much I taught. Because of that only we were
Yes, ma'am.
we were
You thought, ma'am.
you
I
forgot.
remember.
You
But
remember
I
first
forgot.
we learnt alternate interior angles Z shape. If two sides are parallel, alternate interior angles are equal. Second, we learned corresponding F shape. If it is F shape, these two are corresponding angles. Third one, co-interior angles are supplementary. It is called allied angles or
180
angles on the same side of the transversal. What is that called? Angles in the same side of the transversal. You remember, children? We have done that and all in that 8th, 7th standard. That property you should use in 10th main. Okay? You have to use this property. Now tell me what are all the property of parallelism. Quickly, I have 10th standard now. What are the properties of parallelism? Tarunesh.
Alternate interior angle.
If there are two lines
Alternative
and there is
interior.
one transversal, what is this line called? This is L and this is M. The line L and M are parallel. And what is this line T is called? Transversal.
Corresponding.
Hey, transversal. The line T is called
Transversal.
transversal. Now, what is the first property? What is the first property? Alternate interior angles are equal. Now, today homework, you first write condition of parallelism. You have 7th standard portion. No, take it and learn. Take it and learn today and write down that in the homework book, classwork book, 8th standard. Condition of parallelism neatly. Without seeing, you should write. Okay. So L and M are parallel to each other. The line M is parallel to line M. Then the following conditions are satisfied. And line T is called transversal. Okay. In that, alternate interior angles are equal. Suppose it forms 8 angles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alternate angles are equal. What do you mean by alternate angle? 3 and which two are alternate angle here?
3 and 5, ma'am.
Very good.
4
3
and
and 5. Then 4 and 6. Very
4
good.
and 6. 4 and 6, ma'am.
That is alternate interior angle. The corresponding angles. Which two are corresponding F shape?
2 and 6, 3 and 7.
Super.
4 and
Who's
5,
that?
ma'am.
Who's that? Who's that? Good, good. Very good. That is also Sai Sabrish. Who answered that?
Sorry, ma'am.
Current
Sai
side. Good.
Sabrish and Karan Sai, ma'am.
Very good. So second point is corresponding angles are equal. Angle 2 is equal to angle 6. Angle 3, yes, F shape you check, my F shape. 3 and 7, please recall whatever you studied. Angle 5 equal to angle 1. Angle 4 is equal to angle 8. You remember all this? Take back
Yes, ma'am.
take back a 7th side portion do again. Okay, what's the third one? Third one, alternate interior corresponding alternate exterior angles are equal. 2 and 8 are equal. Alternate exterior angle are equal. 2 and 8. 1 and 7 are equal. 2 and 8, 1 and 7. That you leave. Now, very important is fourth one. Co-interior angles are supplementary. Co-interior angles are supplementary. Instead of co-interior angles, you can write allied angles.
Supplement.
Or you can write angles on the same side of the transversal. Okay. In that, 4 plus 5 is 180. What you should write? 4 plus 5 is 180.
4 plus 5 is 180.
Next one.
180.
Next one.
7 and 8, ma'am.
Hey, 3 plus 6 ma. Interior, co-interior angles are supplementary.
Okay.
3 and 6, okay? Linear pair, 7 and 8, 6 and 5, 3 and 4, linear pair. That is okay. That you have studied
And
in
2
6th
linear
standard.
pairs.
That is 6th standard portion. 7th standard portion you should learn. And now you are in 8th standard. Standard answer you should give. Okay? This one, now homework first is Condition of what is the homework? Tell me clearly. First is take 7th standard classwork and write down condition of parallelism theorem. I taught you nicely. I remember teaching 2 periods. Conditions of parallelism. Condition of parallelism you write. Then you write in exercise 3.3 in 8th standard. This is 7th standard portion. This is 7th standard portion. 7th D portion. Now you come to 8th D portion. Exercise 3.3. 10th main you can do. 10th main there are 2 sums. 1 sum. 10th main
Ma'am,
one
only
sum.
one sum, ma'am.
Only one sum. Then 10, 11, 12 you can try. Use this condition of parallelism and try these 3 sums. Okay. So tomorrow we don't have class. That's why I'm giving so much homework. Okay. You can do Friday. Friday we can meet you. Thank you, children. Remember the homework and do correctly. Please recall whatever you studied, and I will ask you oral questions on Friday. Thank you.